Look at these little roads. I don't know if I'm still in Santa Ana or not, but these are little roads, man. Look at the little houses. Look at this. This is nice. Look at these mountains. Mira bonita, man. Look at this. This is beautiful, but this is where the poorest people live. And you know what? They walk right there by the white line. That's where they walk. At night. You don't even fucking see them. Next thing you know, they're like right there. Man, you gotta keep your eyes open. Peel, like, you know, of course you gotta keep them open when you're driving, but I'm just saying, like, it's really hard, man. It's so dark around here at night. This road is dark. And then people just walk on the white line right there, man. Look at that. Look at these mountains, how beautiful they are. Look at this. Look at this. It's country life. Even though it's not considered country, but that's what it looks like. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Oh no, here we're gonna go really slow. You see a big car? It's like when you're driving in LA, you see a truck. You gotta go really slow. Look, these people don't give a freaking thing. Look. You can't see anything. He just takes off. Look at that. That goes to show you how much they care about their lives over here. You don't even see it. There's a car coming. He took off. That dude's gone. Well, here we're going into literally like a parade. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at that mountain. It's covered in mist. The clouds are on it. Look at this. Da-da-da-da. There's more cars behind me. See, we're scary cats. That's why we don't crush them. Because look, see? There's a car. You never want to try to pass a freaking truck and there's turns. I guess this is going to be a long ride. Because I'm not going to go. There's 3 cars. A truck and 2 more cars that I have to pass to get in front of that truck. And I don't think I'll be doing that. So we're just gonna chill right behind them, looking at this beautiful nature. This is like a lot like Washington and Oregon. A lot of green, and you know the little road is right on the trees and stuff. That's how this looks like. So I like it over here. Look at that. Look at that. Oop, police is going right there. So we had to put the phone down. Cops were going. We're going the other way. Look at this. Oh, there he goes. He passed him. He said, forget it, but look at that. Oof. Look how scary that is. It literally cut him off. And look, there was a motorcycle right there. Well, I guess we're just gonna follow the leader. Alright, there's not much to see over here but green. So 1, 2, 3, we are out.